getting big planks with a compact car. How to? Ja, ga je hem door de rutte steken? Ja. Ja. Door het dak? Ja. Ja. Ja, ja, ja. Ja.
Laat uitsteken, dat is kijk.
Ja. Who needs a big car when you have a sports car that can do it all? You just need some windows to get everything in. Hell yeah. Let's build a fucking sim. So, we are about to make... Ja, boeien. We're gonna draai een keer om, misschien een andere kant rechter. Ja, boeien. So we're gonna start with the first accoutrement, and then we want to mount the seat, but we've already noticed our first problem, and that's that it's not straight.
Leave your phone in your purse, you making me nervous. Saint Laurent done fresher than detergent. I be clean. Got a crush on this waitress, hope she serve me. Not me. Porsche headlights on, Kermit the Frog. 21. Michael Vick, number 7, I'm a dog. Big dog.
Ratchet bitches wanting Frenchies, not Philippe. That's the type that put me in my mood. She know that I'm out, but she come cool for me. She know how to put me in my groove. I know it's a lot that you can learn from me. It's just one thing that you gotta prove. If you gotta walk with just a ride for me, I might need an extra for the two. Gotta keep my distance, they surrounding me. I might need an extra for the two. They might have to go and build a house for me. I might need an extra for the... We done did so much around the law. Stay up to forget about what I saw. Powers keep increasing by the bar. Shit don't make you sleepy after all. Shopping in my closet, not the mall. Opening my mouth a disco ball. I extended my roll on the wall.
See, the problem is now, we made...
Oh, wacht.
So the, so the problem now is... Yeah, as you see, the seat is not flat. And it's stuck with rivets, so... So, of we need to drill out the rivets, or we fix. So, so we're going to an Otto Kerkhoff. Yeah, because we don't want to fuck up this chair. So we're gonna pull out another chair from a cheap car, cheap chair, cheap, yes. Hey, who needs a fucking camionette? All you need is a sports car. That's how you're supposed to do it. Where are you gonna sit? No idea.
En de Citroën Berlingo.
Woo! Citroën Berlingo.
Where the fuck is Broadway? Young nigga way out of state. Fucked up, getting over pain. Look how far a nigga came. You remember I ain't have a thing. Fucked up, walking through the rain. At the top of the game, should've seen the niggas I was trying to bring. It's crazy the way these niggas change. Tell the city girl chill. You know baby mama know the deal. She know I can make that pussy. Okay, let's switch the subject. Notice that both of my wrists is flooded. I've been grinding so hard getting to this money. I've been working like I know the drop is coming. Monday to Monday, Sunday to Sunday. You know I'm scream running. Okay, my dad.
Oké.
Kom eens dan, kijk. Stuur ga hier zitten, dat is meer dan ver genoeg.
Ja. We kunnen nog naar voren, hè. You can go forward, hè, Jelle, you know, hè. If you need to. Oh, yes.
Oftewel,
This is where we at the moment. Wait. Vroom.
dat is perfect, hè?
Alright.
Zo shiften.
Alright.
Zullen er beter een tractortje van maken. Hé, maar wauw, dan zegt ze heel anders.
Pas up. Okay, so we gave a bit up on building. Well, at the moment we just wanna play because this is more like a side project on the weekends, but the last few weekends it didn't really, yeah, we didn't really wanna do the sim building, so we just got a table for the moment, and when we want to we will finish up the complete sim rig. So yeah, Rick and Gerrit will also be here today. Okay. Yes, normally dat kan misschien nog iets harder, ik weet niet, alhoewel het zit daar een beetje speling op, denk ik. Ja. Mocht er al redelijk gaan, dat nog veel stevigheid. Ja, dat. Daar ben ik eigenlijk redelijk content met hoe dat het nu is. Ja, oké. Hell yeah. Hopefully. Ja, dat hij niet meer automatisch is. Oké. Hell yeah.
Suburban, her toe pretty. You a nerd, I hold the city. Ain't no way not told him to hit it. You get lost, hope you know the city. But I get caught in the wrong trenches. What's on your wrist? $1 million. Next week it might be a zillion. Kanye, let me borrow $1 billion. Mediterranean by a billion.
They say it's lonely at the top, and whatever you do, you always gotta watch motherfuckers around you. Nobody's invincible, no plan is foolproof. We all must meet our moment of truth.